Hello, welcome to Knexed.
In this episode, we're building yet again a crane, but from a totally different family. This time, we are going to explore this floating crane. It is modeled after a Korean Hyundai crane. This scale model is about a meter long, half a meter wide, and when it's in this upright most position, it's about 130 centimeters tall. At the back of the model, we find two sturdy A-frames. They house the motor that control the booms to go up and down. There are two separate booms, but they move simultaneously. Each of the booms have their own set of cables, but both cables are controlled by only one motor. That motor has been geared down twice, and in each of the booms there is a total of 5 pulley wheels. So the motor, that's just one small motor, can still be able to lift the heavy weight of both booms together. This is the maximum position allowed by the motor and the cables of the boom hoisting mechanism. It still reaches out for half a meter in front of the ship's bow. Now let's have a closer look at the hoisting mechanism. From each of the crane booms there runs a cable through 4 pulley wheels. Both cables are driven by the same motor, so the hoisting platform will rise or lower simultaneously. At the moment there's some extra weight added under the platform because the pulley mechanism works better when the cables are properly tensioned. Here's a small demo of how the crane is able to lift rather large pieces of equipment without any problems. Now there's effectively only one thing to talk about left, and that is the floaters. In the base of the ship there are 15 large soda bottles, 5 next to each other and 3 in front of each other. Each bottle contains 1.5 liters of air, so that totals to over 20 liters of buoyancy. I have no idea if that will be enough or if the ship is properly balanced. Left and right balance should be okay, since the ship is more or less symmetrical in that direction, but the big question will remain if it's front to back properly balanced. There's only one way to find it out.
It really floats! Yeah!
The floating crane was tested successfully. Now all that's left is saying goodbye with this mini model of the floating crane. Hope to see you in the next episode of Knexed.